Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast with brown bread. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon for that classic flavor. We'll be using 4 slices of sturdy brown bread, about 1/2 inch thick, and 1 tablespoon of butter or oil for cooking. Now, let's create our delicious custard. Crack 2 large eggs into a shallow dish or a pie plate, which makes dipping easier. Whisk them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely combined and smooth. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, stir in that pinch of cinnamon to infuse the mixture with a warm, inviting aroma. With our custard ready, it's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Dip each slice of brown bread into the egg mixture, letting it soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. You want it fully coated but not soggy. Cook each slice for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious brown bread French toast is now ready. Serve it warm and fresh for the ultimate experience. A light dusting of powdered sugar or a generous drizzle of maple syrup always enhances the flavor. For extra indulgence, add fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a dollop of whipped cream. You could also try a sprinkle of chopped nuts or a side of crispy bacon for a savory contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.